Looking for a natural way to keep your skin healthy, glowing and flawless? Start using this DIY chia seeds face pack now. All we need here is 2 teaspoons chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Take 2 teaspoons of chia seeds and leave it soaking overnight in 1/2 cup of water. You will have a gel-like consistency. Strain the solution in another bowl. Now add a teaspoon of honey to this gel and mix it well. Next, add a teaspoon of olive oil to this mixture. Before you apply this face mask, make sure that you clean off dirt from your face. Now, apply the mask onto your skin in a circular movement. Let it sit for about 25 minutes and rinse your face with warm water. And follow it up by washing your face with cold water to close pores. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and massage a deep, nourishing moisturizer. Chia seeds are the superfood everybody can count on for overall development. They help in maintaining a healthy body, face and hair. They not only add to the diet, but also make for wonderful skin exfoliants, for they are packed with nutrients and help in removing buildup. They are present in expensive couture beauty products, and chia seed oil is the best thing that can happen to your skin and hair. You will get rid of tans, brighten the skin, heal the skin and make it plump and rejuvenated. Because of the antioxidants and omega-3s, people already view chia seeds as remarkable support for skin health, but they can be just as useful applied topically as they can be when ingested. Omega-3s are found naturally in the skin barrier, meaning they lock in moisture while locking out environmental dangers such as pollution. Since omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties, they can soothe irritated skin. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.